guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a pretty big Walmart haul today. This haul was about $200. The only thing not pictured here is just some cat litter. I've been trying to stock up on cat litter because I keep hearing like a lot of pet supplies are having shortages, and I have noticed it's been pretty sparse. So I did get another cat litter. We don't really need one, but it's a backup. But yeah, it was like $199 for this. I'm gonna start on this side and work my way over to the other side. So I did get some romaine hearts for salads, sandwiches, whatever the case is, some pearl onions because I want to do some beef stew, and when September starts I just want to do a lot of crock pot dishes, and I like to put these in the beef stew. Some bananas. I got some blackberries. We already have blueberries and raspberries still. Got some tricolored peppers. Some of these fresh mozzarella pearls. I actually don't eat these, but we are going to have some family over, and I want to make a little tray with like crackers, salami, these little mozzarella things, some fruit. I got 2 things of strawberries. They didn't have the big container, so I just got 2 of the smaller ones. Very interested to try these. I've never tried them. I've seen them. They are the watermelon radishes, so they look like that. And it says they are vibrant with a mildly sweet peppery flavor. So there are 4 in here. This was like $3.50, so a little on the pricey side. But I'm excited to try these in some salads or just for snacking, depending on the flavor. I got some Great Value deep dish cheese pizzas because football is starting soon, and when we do have friends or neighbors over that have kids, in the past pizza seems to be the way to go, along with just appetizers and snacks. So I did grab those. I got some Great Value brand garden vegetable cream cheese, some of these Wise brand onion ring like Funyuns. I got a 3-pound bag of the Easy Peel seedless mandarins. My son likes these, and I can pack these for my husband's lunches. They're just a really easy snack. Some of these honey roasted chickpea snacks. They're like crunchy little baked chickpeas with a honey roasted flavor. Some of my favorite Snyder sourdough hard pretzels. I love those. I do still like the blue raspberry version of this, but I just noticed this flavor, cherry vanilla. I've never seen it before. I don't know if it's new or it was just always out of stock. So I did grab 2 of these. I still have some of the blue ones in my basement fridge, but I thought the flavor sounded really nice. I got 2 of the Jiffy cornbread muffin mixes. I've been buying these for years. They're like 50 cents, and I make them when I do like chili or some kind of crock pot dish as a side. I got some Sargento Baby Swiss for Matt's sandwiches and wraps. Some Mrs. T's loaded baked potato pierogies. We love these. I got a couple of the Skittles yogurts, the smooth yogurts. And then my son wanted this Oreo vanilla low-fat crunch yogurt. He asked for it when we were in that section. Got some half and half for recipes. Some butter cookie Great Value creamer for Matt. I thought this was a seasonal flavor, but I have been seeing it, so it looks like it might be here to stay. And then I got my sugar-free Italian sweet cream Coffee Mate creamer. Some of our Minute Maid Zero Sugar lemonade. Some of this PJ Masks strawberry and cotton candy little yogurts for Grady. 3 boxes of the Great Value brand tissues with lotion. My cat's cat food, it's just the delectable senior 12-pack variety pack. I got some fire roasted diced tomatoes for chili, a chicken and wild rice Campbell's soup for the pantry, a couple tomato pastes from Hunt's, some of our favorite smoked sausages. They are the zero sugar made in the US, like sausage sticks. We like to snack on these a lot. They're really tasty. I had to grab some like lounge jogger pants for Matt for around the house, just for, you know, being cozy at home, because we just threw out a pair of his old ones, so I just like to replace things when I throw them out, or we, you know, get rid of them. Some butter bread. We usually get the Sara Lee brand butter bread, but they did not have any, so we got the Nature's Own, which is very, very similar. some Thomas onion bagels. I need to go to like a bagel store soon and stock up so I can throw them in the freezer, but for now we got these. I've never seen these before. They're the Pillsbury mini sweet biscuits in the blueberry flavor. It looks like there's just like individual pouches in here that I can pack for Matt's lunches. Grady asked for fruit by the foot, and I actually really like these, so I just got the variety pack of those. Some of the Capri Sun Roaring Waters in the Fruit Punch Wave 50% less sugar pouches. I got some Sam Adams Oktoberfest. I thought my family would like this. My dad is definitely gonna like this when we have family over. And some of the Twist Up, which is like Sierra Mist Walmart version. I got a big thing of cherries for that cheese and meat board. I want to put some cherries out. I got some potatoes for potato salad for roasting, baked potatoes, whatever the case may be. And then some brown eggs. They actually didn't have any of the Walmart brand white eggs, so I just got the brown, which is fine because I do get the brown sometimes. But that is everything from today. And I'm going to share my meal plan now for next week. Alright, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do some stuffed shells with just a simple side salad. And I have some cucumbers and tomatoes from my mom's garden, so I will definitely be incorporating a lot of those into the salad. I'm going to do some turkey BLTs with oven fries. Pretty much just a BLT with turkey added. And I'll just do, like I said, oven fries, just some skin on potatoes. I'll season them, cut them up, and bake them in the oven. I'm going to do enchiladas one night. I have not made enchiladas actually in a while, and normally I make those like maybe once a month or every 6 weeks. So I just used a recipe from the side of the old El Paso enchilada sauce can. I've been doing that for years. It's really easy. So I'll make those, and then I'll just do some rice and beans on the side. I'm gonna do the Aldi, the red bag chicken. It's like a chicken patty, a breaded chicken patty. I'll just bake those, make them into sandwiches. I usually just put like lettuce, tomato, red onion, some kind of sauce, and cheese on them. And then I'm gonna make some pasta salad this weekend for some food prep. So I will just put some aside for those sandwiches as a side dish. I have some minestrone soup frozen that I made a double batch of a couple months ago. So I'm going to thaw that out to help make room too for the incoming freezer meals that I've been working on for the fall. So we'll have just soup and salad, which will also be a no meat night since it's vegetarian. I'm going to make the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe recipe. I've been making this for years. It's delicious. You can literally just Google Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joes and it will come up. It's a pretty easy recipe. And then I've got some green beans from my parents' garden that I have blanched and frozen. So I will just steam those off and then just do a little salad on the side. And then of course, as always, I have our freebie night, which is leftovers, breakfast for dinner. Sometimes we go to my parents' house, sometimes we go out. So just kind of give myself that extra night or that one night per week that I can kind of freestyle it. But that is the game plan for next week. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.